So, what if I told you there's a single tool that could replace like half of your creative subscriptions? One that can build a working app from just an idea in minutes and even give you a personal AI assistant that can see your screen, and it's all completely free. Yeah, let's dive into this. Because right now, this is the reality for so many of us, right? We're all shelling out cash for multiple super specialized AI tools. But what if that's just completely unnecessary? Seriously, just think about it. What if you had access to a complete AI workshop that could do all of this? Well, that's not some hypothetical question. It's real. And we're about to show you exactly how to unlock it. Hey everyone, we're from the AI Show team, and we pretty much live and breathe this stuff. We spend our days deep inside these tools, and we're here to give you the playbook that really separates the casual users from the pro builders. The tool we're talking about is Google AI Studio. And I want you to just, for a second, stop thinking of it as another chatbot or some complicated thing for developers. Instead, think of it as your own personal creative workshop right in your browser. Now, the magic behind this whole workshop is a concept Google calls vibe coding. It's such a simple but really powerful idea. You just describe the app you want, in plain English, and the AI builds it. No code, no APIs, just your idea. Okay, so let's put that to the test. We're going to build an app right here, right now. But here's the thing. The hardest part of building something isn't the coding anymore. It's just coming up with a great idea in the first place. And you know what? AI Studio even has a solution for that. It has this fantastic little feature, an I'm feeling lucky button, that basically acts as an instant idea generator. It is the ultimate cure for creator's block. And hey, if you're finding this helpful for your own creative blocks, do us a quick favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more workflows just like this. The whole process is it's incredibly simple. You click a button to get an idea, you confirm that's what you want, and then you literally watch the code and a visual preview of your app just appear on the screen. It's kind of wild. So we clicked I'm feeling lucky, and this is the prompt we got. Now look at this. It's not some simple little calculator. This is a genuinely useful tool that generates a full brand identity. The crucial point here is, we didn't even have to write this prompt. The AI suggested a really valuable app for us to build. And just like that, in under 2 minutes, we have a functional application. And I mean, it's not a mock-up, it's a real working tool. But this is just the starting point. Now, let's make it look professional. A working app is an awesome prototype, but now it's time to make it look really good. So the next step is to replace all that generic placeholder content with professional custom media. And the best part? We don't even have to leave AI Studio to do it. This slide really shows the transformation. You see how we go from that basic template on the left to a fully branded custom app on the right. And you can do this by uploading your own brand guidelines, PDFs, whatever content you have, and the AI will weave it directly into the app. For generating those custom images, AI Studio has this incredibly powerful model called Nano Banana. Now, this is not just a simple image generator. It's a crazy powerful image editor that you control with text. Think Photoshop-level edits, but without all the Photoshop complexity. For example, you can upload a photo and just make iterative changes. You can say, add glasses, then you can refine it by asking it to, say, remove a specific logo. This level of precision, all through simple text commands, is an absolute game changer for creating custom assets for your app. Okay, so we've built an app and we've customized it. But what happens when you're working on a project, really any project, and you just get stuck? Well, AI Studio has a pretty revolutionary feature for that too. I mean, this is the question we all face, right? Whether you're debugging code, trying to figure out new software, or designing a presentation, hitting a wall is so frustrating. What if you could just ask for help and show someone the problem instantly? Well, with AI Studio's stream mode, you can. You just share your screen, and the AI becomes your co-pilot. You can literally ask it questions just like this one. And because it can see your screen, it can walk you through the exact steps, completely hands-free. And honestly, the possibilities are endless. Need to change your theme in Shopify? It'll guide you. Don't know how to add transitions in Final Cut Pro? It'll tell you exactly what to click. You can even practice a presentation with it. It's like having an expert looking right over your shoulder, ready to help at any moment. So we have covered building apps, generating media, and getting live help. Now let's tie it all together into a repeatable workflow that the top 1% of users follow to get these incredible results every single time. Okay, so here's the 5-step process to follow. First, Always set system instructions. This basically primes the AI for a specific task. It's like giving an expert a job title before they start. Second, choose the right model. It's all about optimizing for your needs. Use Pro for deep, quality work and Flash for those rapid-fire answers. Third, give it context by uploading your sources first. This stops it from guessing and makes sure the output is tailored to your project. Fourth, use the gallery. Top creators don't reinvent the wheel, they find a proven starting point. And finally, whenever you hit a roadblock, use screen sharing. It turns that solo struggle into a collaborative problem-solving session. And when you follow that workflow, you start to see that Google AI Studio isn't just a collection of features. It's a fully integrated, end-to-end creative workshop that takes you all the way from a raw idea to a polished, functional product. So now you have the tools, you have the workflow, and you have this entire workshop at your fingertips, completely for free. The only question left is, what are you going to build first? Drop your ideas in the comments below. We would absolutely love to see what you create.